We have 4 required readings this week, and they're all coming from our textbook. The first one is Chapter 4, Evaluating Reaction. And what you'll get from this chapter is both guidelines for evaluating reaction as well as a ton of example sheets that you can use, you can borrow from, you can adapt when you're designing your own reaction sheets. The next one is Chapter 12, Developing an Effective Level 1 Reaction Form. And what you get out of this one is things like criteria that these people went through as they were going through the process of developing their evaluation form, as well as things like ideas on the kinds of questions that you can include in your sheets. Chapter 19 includes the discussion of evaluating an orientation program for new managers, and you'll be able to see the evaluation approach they followed, and these ones did go through the entire 4-level process, and also more examples of evaluation sheets that you can adapt and borrow ideas from. Then you have Chapter 23, Evaluating an Information Technology Skills Training Program. And here you'll see both the kind of method that they followed, as well as the categories of the questions they asked in their evaluation. One thing you'll notice from Chapter 23 is that they'll provide suggestions for you to follow as you are implementing your own evaluation processes. And one of them is to have reduced the number of training evaluations by participants while covering levels 1, 2, and 3. And if you remember, that was actually one of the guidelines that you saw from chapters 3 and 4 of Herman et al., where they suggested that once you do the analysis of all the things that you want to know about a particular training program, you should consolidate these into as few instruments as possible so that you don't overwhelm your participants.